always chasing pie. The pie man grinned and shook his head, said, "Simon, you need a dime." But Simon just smiled and brightly said, "I'll bring it next time." Oh Simon, what a curious guy. Oh Simon, always chasing pie. He skipped and hopped, he spun around, looking for a treat. But Simple Simon laughed and found the chase was twice as sweet. Oh Simon, what a curious guy. Oh Simon, always chasing pie.